Hey, in the last Ethereum price prediction video, I gave you a short right here. I said we're gonna go to this level, we short and we made 2.9%. And the question is what will happen now? And I've got it all for you within the video. Obviously, this video is no financial advice. I'll give you a few setups that I'm personally going to be taking. And these are basically the setups here and here. I'm interested in shorting between 4311 and 4320, along in between 4239 and 4225. Basically, these two levels. Why am I interested in these levels? I've looked at the layer 2 and layer 3 data, and I saw a lot of people have placed their short stop losses here above these highs. And a lot of people place their stop losses here and here, but mostly here and close to this week. Some are gonna get liquidated here as well, but a lot will get liquidated between here and here. So this is exactly what I'm planning to do, the two scenarios. I'll also draw them down for you. And we've had an incredible win rate doing that. I'm actually doing a few trades on my own as well, obviously with meme coins as well, but I'm shorting Dodo. We're almost to take profit there. I just shorted it a few seconds ago, and the signals chat is basically printing. So if you decide you want to join that, I've got links in the description down below for the trades, for the signals chat. Also link in the description down below for my course if you want to join. Made it pretty cheap. And that's it. I also have another video for Ethereum tomorrow, so make sure you're tuning in for that. See you next one.